Hey, Sven here with Williams Custom Bikes. We did a little testing here. Everybody's complaining Chinese machines are crap or cheap, nothing was lost on it. Here's what we did. We, for 5 years, own this bike now. We didn't drive it. What we did is we abused it, Canadian style. We had it all summer long, parked outside, uncovered. And in the winter we had it in an unheated garage, minus 40 degrees Celsius, and so on and so on. Yes, we did take the battery out. That's the only thing we did. We took the battery out. So 5 years later, let's have a closer look on what actually happened to this bike. So plastics, that was my main concern. I figured this plastic will not last. Look at this plastic. Look at the paint. It's still there. Now, did we get rust? Yeah, right here at the end of the bolt, and right down here at the end of the bolt is some surface rust. If you look at the rest of the bike, and I just washed it quickly, I did not polish it or anything, I just gave it a rinse. There is a little bit of rust on this bolt here, and that's about it rust wise. No, there's another one, the front axle, and nothing that a little bit of cleaning cannot take care of. What we did notice is a little bit of discoloration. You noticed that this beautiful red is not all that red anymore, and you also noticed that, turn it around, you noticed the color here, and it faded away right over here where the sun actually hit it a little more. So the fork, the color faded. Can you believe this? 5-year-old Chinese motorcycle, or Chinese made motorcycle, built motorcycle, and nothing really wrong with it. I bet you that a Kawasaki or Honda after 5 years of disabuse would look the same.